Right then, another new project. It's a Mini. So that was 7.34 to 60. This is an 170 horsepower engine anyway, which, perfect, 170 horsepower. The buck at 266 foot-pounds, but this has done 280. Done the other tune on the road and turned it down a little bit, so we actually ended up with a little bit more torque by lowering the boost request, and I didn't believe we added any fuel. I think we took a little bit out, so God knows why it's gone up a little bit, but a little bit more torque. We've only dropped a tiny bit of power, sort of in the peak power zone, 3800 RPM-ish, 4 grand-ish. And then where we've sort of lowered the EGTs by about 60 or 80, I can't remember exactly off the top of my head, is where we've tapered it off here. So that were a 7.1 with a bit more res, a bit more wheel spin. We're going to put the intercooler on. We're going to put the rear arms on. These are adjustable E-back ones. Brakes on, which these are the John Cooper Works brakes. So they're the 4 pots, wheels and tyres. So ZF6, like these, 2 Forge. These are what we use on the race car and they've been pretty good. Yokohama AO52 tyres. Then we've got the nice Cobra seats. So these are not the exact ones that are going to be in the car when it's completely finished, because these have not got harness holes. Powerflex have hooked us up with a full set of bushers, Pro-Line braided lines, I forgot to mention that. They've sorted us out a full set of brake hoses. And then we've got the Bilstein Club Sport kit. Now, I think Scott's gone a little bit mental with this, because this is like the full 2-way adjustable camber top mount, solid top mount on the rear. E-back anti-roll bar. We've got the Quake diff. Basically what's happening today, we're taking the car to SW Motorsports for the roll cage fitting. We're going to stick the Club Sport Bilsteins on and get the camber that we need. had to overtake the top. Completely went there, didn't it? Yeah. So when we were talking about it before, we had a BMW turbo. We've ended up with an Audi one, which is 3-bolt flange for both sides. The main reason for this, you can't really see too well here, but it's just space. So this has been on the dyno, and up to now we're at 250 horsepower and, oh, 1 second, I forgot. I'm back. And about 415 pounds-feet of torque. Like second gear now on a bypass. Straight in. It's not me doing a YouTube. Ah! So this is the turbo kit downpipe. This is the 3-inch exhaust stands fabricated, so it's not really that complicated to get it to the back, but then the problem we've got is quite tight here to get a box in, which this box is not very big. I'm hoping it's big enough. Rev up. Hell. See, if you feel like, oh, now. Woohoo! This is one of my favourite cars. We always ask what car to buy if they want something that's good on the road, fun on the track. So just get a minute, get us to put a map on it and you'll be happy. So we've got half a tank of fuel, V107 tyres on, nothing too fancy. Not dry, it's not wet, it's damp. So that was a 6-second dead. Definitely improvements there still. We're going to get this on the drag strip sometime soon anyway. See what we can get. So 6 seconds dead, it's alright. Can't remember what it books, it'll be 7 and a bit. But this turbo, perfect on this engine.